In this video, I'll detail how to fix Apple Watch time is wrong. So if you want to set your Apple Watch time on your iPhone because the Apple Watch time is wrong, then this video is going to walk you through. With your Apple Watch time wrong, then you need to look for a way to fix this. And basically here, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Apple Watch time if it is wrong or if it is not correct. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to fix Apple Watch time is wrong is make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are both connected together. So your iPhone and your Apple Watch must be connected together before you can set time or date on your Apple Watch. Now, the first thing you want to do on your Apple Watch is go to your Apple Watch settings. On the settings page, turn on Bluetooth. Once your Bluetooth is turned on, go to your iPhone, then tap Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Here you can confirm that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. If your Apple Watch is not connected to your iPhone, you'll not be able to set the wrong time or wrong date on your Apple Watch. Then make sure your Apple Watch is connected. Once the two devices are connected, like this, then go to your iPhone settings. On the iPhone settings, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, you want to scroll down and click on Date and Time. This is where you're going to set your Apple Watch date if it is wrong. Then, if this is not set to set automatically, go ahead and tap Set Automatically. You should see your Apple Watch time changed to set automatically. So if the Apple Watch time is wrong, let's say the Apple Watch time is saying 1. So let's say this. That is 12. You see that? And that is the same time as my iPhone. Now, to set your wrong Apple Watch time, you need to set your iPhone time, make sure it is correct. Once it is correct and your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, this is going to change the time. Now, at the moment the time is 9:18, so just click on time on your iPhone and then go to 9. Then select this minutes, that is 18. Then instantly you're going to see the time changed on your Apple Watch. Click outside. Then if the date is wrong on your Apple Watch, repeat the process, click on date here, and then select the date. That's what you're going to have on your Apple Watch. However, if you don't want to repeat all this process always, to set wrong date or wrong time on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is turn on Set Automatically on your iPhone. Then hang on, and even when your iPhone time or Apple Watch time is wrong, Set Automatically is going to fix it. So that is how you can easily fix Apple Watch wrong time or how to set time and date on your Apple Watch. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.